Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Ashendorf. Today I want to show you something really interesting. It's building your list but not through the conventional methods. It's a new software that we're releasing and it's called Alchemy. You'll see what I mean in just a moment. It's 1:11 now in the UK, Sunday the 19th of April. And what I'm going to do now is go to my blog and I've got a video set up here. Now this is Creative Commons and it's to do with making money with Amazon, and let me show you what happens when I play the video.
Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to discuss how to find products.
Right, so in order to continue watching the video, what I need to do is I can either no thanks it or I can continue through here. So if I click on that, what's going to happen is the video is going to be continuing to play and I'm going to be added to a push notifications database. Now before I show you this, let's go back and I'll show you how I've set it up. So the first thing I want to show you is we go to push settings and this is the title. I mean, we can customize that, but what's important is I've got my affiliate link here. Now this is a product that's launching later on today and it's called Commission Trooper. Let me just go back to here. I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna go to that page. You'll see what it is in just a moment. That's the sales page. Just logging out of that, and this is where I set the actual send notifications. And when I go to opt-in settings, that's where I create the buttons and everything, so it's very easy to set up. And what I'm going to do now is go back to that video and show you how it works, and then we're going to regroup in a couple of days and let's see what sort of results I get from this. So I'm going to go back to posts and all posts and we'll go to view and I'm going to play this again.
Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to discuss how to find products.
This time I'm going to opt in.
That make £10,000 a month.
He's continuing, and as you can see, we've got this notification here,
So before we get started,
and I'm just going to click on that,
subscribe so you know when I upload videos, and let's get right into it. So
and that's taking me back to here. So what we're going to do now, let me just stop this video. What we're going to do now then is regroup in a couple of days time and let's see what sort of results we get. What I'm going to do now is distribute that post everywhere across social media, on my blog. I'm going to put it in my bios and pretty much anywhere that I can think of in order to grow my subscribers list, and then I'm going to send them that push with that affiliate link and let's see what sort of results we get in a day or two. Don't go anywhere. Speak to you very soon. Bye bye. Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Ashendorf. It's Monday 7:31 a.m. here in the UK. Let's have a look at where we are with this case study. So you can see we've had 172 entries yesterday and overnight. The way that I did this is by picking a compelling video and then distributing it all across social media. People want to watch it, so they opt in. And then what I did is I sent the push notification to these people. Now what's good about that is it bypasses all the standard ISP spam folders, and so these offers become very visible. And let's have a look at my Warrior Plus dashboard. You can see this offer here from yesterday, the 19th of April. What I'm going to do now is refresh, and you can see that we've had 12 sales which amounted to $84.56. So hopefully you've enjoyed this little case study. Looking forward to seeing you on the inside. Speak soon. Bye bye.